For a long time, my world felt like it was closing in. Chronic pain has a way of doing that. It takes the things you love and puts them just out of reach. It wasn't just the physical toll, it was the loss of who I thought I was. I spent years wondering if the best parts of my life were behind me. Every day felt a little smaller, a little more restricted. I wasn't looking for a miracle, I was just looking for a way to contribute again, to find a reason to get out of bed on the hard days. Then something unexpected happened. Artificial intelligence didn't cure my pain, but it gave me something I thought I'd lost. It gave me a bridge over the limitations my body had created. It became a force multiplier for my mind. I realized that while I couldn't always move the way I wanted to, I could still build. I could still create. AI allowed me to start projects that I once thought required a whole team of experts. It turned my office into a studio and a laboratory. I saw a massive problem in the world of peptide research and health optimization. The tools we had were expensive, they harvested your personal data, and they required you to have an account for every little thing. For someone already struggling, it was just another barrier. So I decided to build my own solution. I'm not a software engineer by trade, but with AI as my partner, I started developing Peptide Vault. I wanted a privacy-first, offline-first tool that actually worked for the researcher. We built in everything a researcher needs: precise dose logging, a secure syringe visualizer, and a reconstitution calculator. No accounts, no telemetry, just local encrypted storage that gives you back control over your data. And it's not just the app. I wanted to help researchers navigate the confusing landscape of suppliers and testing. That's why I created the free Peptide Buyer's Guide on peptidevaultapp.com to help you compare info and pricing fairly. But the journey didn't stop with software. AI opened up the physical world to me too. I've always been a maker at heart, and suddenly the physics of engineering felt accessible. The 3D printer in my corner became more than a tool, it became a factory. I started sketching aircraft concepts, advanced RC designs that I never thought I had the engineering background to tackle. AI helped me understand the fluid dynamics and material stress points. It turned my what-ifs into blueprints. There is something incredibly therapeutic about seeing a part you designed with AI come to life on the print bed. It's a reminder that even when your world feels small, your impact can be tangible and real. We are building the future, one layer at a time. That's the heart of Relentless Relief. I'm not here as an expert. I'm here as a peer, someone who's lived with fibromyalgia and chronic pain and who refused to accept that the story was over. I'm here to share what I've learned about recovery research and optimization. We dive deep into the research, whether it's the nerve repair potential of ARA-290 for burning pain or the anti-inflammatory rationale of KPV. I'm skeptical of the hype, but I'm a believer in the science of small, consistent changes that lead to real recovery. Whether we're talking about hormone optimization or managing Hashimoto's, it's about being your own advocate. AI helps me synthesize this massive amount of data so I can share the most precise, actionable information with you. Sovereignty is a recurring theme in everything I build. That's why I created the Sovereign Toolkit. It's a digital privacy system for everyday people. I want to give you the tools to take your digital life back from the data brokers. The core of the toolkit is the drop system. It's a way to send verified data deletion requests in about 15 minutes. It's about ensuring that your personal info stays yours. No more being a product for someone else to sell. The most rewarding part of this journey has been the community. I'm creating these videos to encourage the person who is where I was a few years ago, the person who feels like their chance has passed. I'm here to tell you that it hasn't. Whether you're a retiree starting a new chapter or you're managing a chronic illness, the barrier to entry has never been lower. You have extraordinary tools at your fingertips. All you have to do is refuse to stop learning and start building. The path ahead isn't always easy, and there will be days when the setbacks feel heavy, but we don't have to walk it alone. We have the technology, the community, and the collective drive to keep pushing forward. We are part of a new era of human potential, where our only limit is how much we're willing to learn. This channel isn't really about artificial intelligence. It's about what becomes possible when you refuse to let your circumstances define your future. It's about building a better life, one project, one video, and one discovery at a time. It's about the quiet victories that happen at 2 a.m. when a piece of code finally works or a 3D print finishes perfectly. If you'd like to follow this journey as we build new ideas, explore the science of recovery, and prove that it's never too late to reinvent yourself, subscribe. Join the Relentless Relief community. I'll see you in the next one.